Distinguished Chairman of this committee, distinguished members, very distinguished senators. My name is OCJ Okocha. If I mention what the names stand for, those initials you may not know, but full name, Onweze Chukwujinka Joe Okocha. I'm a former president of the Nigerian Bar Association. I'm a senior advocate of Nigeria. I was called to the bar in 1978. I'm a former chairman of the Body of Benchers. I'm a former chairman of the Council of Legal Education. I'm practicing law, doing the charge and bail business in Port Harcourt. I thank you all for your audience.
Next.
State Committee, my fellow nominees. My name is Right Honorable Fani Ugwuanyi, a three-time member of the House of Representatives, member of the 5th Assembly, 6th Assembly, and the 7th Assembly, and then a two-time governor of Enugu State.
You're more than qualified. Take your bow and go.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Next.
I am Senator Professor Nora Ladi Dadut of the 9th Assembly. And I am glad to be here from Plateau State.
9th Assembly, take a bow and go. Call your supporters.
Supporters,
not including Lalong. You can leave Lalong.
My name's OKCA Victor Ibazo, two-time governor of Abia State.
Next.
Distinguished chairman of this committee, distinguished senators.
Skip protocols. Just mention, introduce yourself.
My name is Chioma Priscilla Ohakim MNI, former First Lady Imo State, a lawyer by training. I am very pleased to be in your midst. I thank Mr. President for this nomination. I have been able to do...
Okay, that's fine. Next.
Chairman of this honorable committee, chairman, the vice chairman, distinguished, our own Senate...
Skip protocol.
Senate majority leader.
Go straight to skip protocol. Go straight to your. Don't be nervous. Just go straight to your. I can see you're nervous. Just go straight to your introduction.
About the former governor of Ekiti State. Yes. My name is Iroele Angela Ayodele Adebayo. Thank you.
She has not spoken.
Miss.
So that
No.
Continue to speak.
Distinguished chairman.
Continue.
Every other person in this committee, the Senate leader, and senators from my state. My name is Oluwajimeka Ayotunwa Olumilua, the wife of the former governor of old Ondo State, Evangelist Bamidele Ishola Olumilua. I'm happy to come before you this afternoon for this privilege and the opportunity to stand and to represent our country called Nigeria. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
My name is Mahmood Yakubu, former Executive Secretary, Tertiary Education Trust Fund, TED Fund, and former Chairman INEC.
Next.
So, Lady Oyewumi, representing Osun West Central District of Osun State, I hereby second the motion moved by Senate leader that nominees seated before us to take bow and go. As a second.
Moved and seconded before us. So I think you may now leave. Okay. Those who are in support say aye. Those against say.
Distinguished Chairman, my name is Ambassador Philip Ikurusi from Bayelsa State, and I am the media.
Kayode, and I also address the distinguished Deputy Chairman and all the members of this honorable committee. My name is Chief Femi Fani Kayode. I was the Minister of Aviation of this country, and I was also the Minister of Culture and Tourism of this country. It's a pleasure to be here.
Next, former ministers. The former ministers and ambassadors were screened by the Senate. Unless there is anything new, like petition or any new development, I feel that they should just take their bow and go, and we continue considering the number that I have.
Former second, any seconder.
Wait. The motion ministers and former ambassadors who are here should be allowed to take a bow and go. I so second, Mr. Chairman.
Ambassadors can leave. Take a bow one at a time and leave. One at a time.
And leave with your supporters.
Leave with your supporters. Femi, carry your supporters and go.
And then second ambassador take a bow. Who has got to go? She has to come back.
Where is the lady?
No.
Chairman, Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs.
Sit down.
Distinguished Deputy Chairman, Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs. My name is Barrister Nkechi Linda Ufochukwu. I'm representing Anambra. I was the former SA legal to Chief Uchennaji, the former Minister for Innovation, Science and Technology.
What is your...
I am a lawyer of 17 years post-call.
We'll take on these 5. Distinguished qualifications.
The young lady has everything it takes to represent Nigeria in any country. Not only by reasons of her training, but reasons of the fact that she has been in active legal practice and has been an active member of the APC, and she was involved in the campaign to market our party to power. Yes. And I'm sure Senator Ume will vouch for her.
And Ms. May, to some extent what Adams says, but she's not here being confirmed because she worked for APC. If she's not qualified, she will not be eligible, but she's qualified, and she can.
Are you concurring too?
And yes, she can take a bow.
You're concurring.
And I also led my voice in support of her nomination. I have known Barrister Nkechi for the past 10 years, and she's a woman of great competence. Thank you.
Thank you much. My name is Senator Ningi. We are lawmakers here. I want Lado, Senator Lado, to guide the nominees as to the protocol. When you come before a Senate committee of this nature and a leader of the Senate seated, you first recognize him, then the chairman, then the deputy chairman, then the senators. Secondly, I want to reiterate, as members of the committee, our duty is to take resolutions from you, questions you, and take it to the Senate. We are only ambassadors of the Senate. You could be cleared here by the Senate who will prove otherwise. That is the information I want to relate to all the nominees.
Yes, of course.
I think listening to Okocha, even as a workers leader, the gentleman he qualified in his own right to be described as an elder statesman. Because learned, sick as he is, he invited people like us in Kaki to rub minds with very learned community. He has such a broad mind that I think those are the kind of qualities we need, that when he stands before a foreign authority, they cannot but listen. I believe he has what it takes to carry the Nigeria flag in any part of the world. The other gentleman who mentioned my name, obviously, mentioned my name, it means
he knows you.
Oh.
Senator Ndume, then
view of the fact that the gentlemen before us, their credentials are there. There is no petition before us, and the other nominee, Alhaji Abubakar Gamji. Alhaji Abubakar Gamji. Mr. Chairman, Abubakar Gamji, who is the other candidate, is my friend. I know him very long time, for 30 years. So I want to move a motion again that the 4 or 5 gentlemen that we have, they introduced themselves, and there is no any petition before the committee against them, should take a bow and go. Please, I so move. Can you call Adam?
I'm glad to actually speak in favor of Alhaji Abubakar Sanusi. Oh, I should second. I thought I would speak. Okay, I'm actually seconding the motion that in the absence of any ulterior statements and questions, that the 5 nominees that have introduced themselves, they should be cleared. But I'm also going to chip in a word for my constituent here, who we're actually very proud of. I've known him. I've known Alhaji for the past 23
distinguished colleagues, a motion has been moved.
Distinguished Senate Leader, Senator Opeyemi Bamidele, the Distinguished Chairman, Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs, Senator Sani Bello, the Distinguished Deputy Chairman, Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs, distinguished members of the Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs, and distinguished senators from my state, Senator Ned Nwoko, Senator Joel Onowapo, and Senator Ede Dafinone, the Special Advisor to the President on Senate Matters, Senator Bashir Lado, CON. My name is Reno Omokri. I was a Special Assistant to the President on New Media. I'm an author, and I'm glad to be here. Thank you for having me.
Ndume, Ningi, Senator Shomole, Senator Anao, Senator Ned.
Mr. Chairman, sir, nominees before us are career ambassadors and ambassadors before, and also the last among the nominees, Reno, is somebody that I personally know for the past 25 years, can vouch for his character. Therefore, Mr. Chairman, I again want to move that these nominees take a bow and go. I so move.
Mr. Senator Ningi, I want to specifically talk on my younger brother Lele. Having known him all his life, and we've followed his both educational and qualificational movement, and I want to confide the Senate that he is a very good ambassador and he will do a good job for this nation. Lele Mohammed. Lastly, you are not the chairman. Let me have my time. Lastly, nominees, your credentials are all here. The secretariat of this committee is still perusing these credentials. Petitions are still being received. What you are doing here as a committee is 50% job done. The other job is the full confirmation by the Senate. Having taken a bow today does not guarantee you clearance by the Senate until when the Senate say so. Thank you very much.
There was a precedence. The serving ambassadors, the 4 ambassadors could take a bow and go. And if we have any question to ask the nominee Omokri, we could. If not, we could also tell him to take a bow and go. But there was a motion.
There was a motion, yes.
There is, the amendment to the motion is that the 4 ambassadors who are already on seat should take a bow and go, as has been done since yesterday. Then if there is any other thing, the 5th person could also be asked to go.
No, there's a motion already.
Until you are called, you cannot shut me down.
No, he's not talking to you. He wasn't talking to you.
Let the chairman preside.
He wasn't talking to you. 1 minute.
These are people.
Okay, go ahead.
There's a motion on ground. You can either defeat the motion or let it survive. All right. So how come you have other people have spoken?
Senator Adams, he wasn't. Go ahead.
I have the authority of the chairman.
Please go ahead.
Chairman, you cannot exercise power that you don't have.
You don't exercise.
Chairman, I want to thank you, Senate leader, and my colleagues. I cannot be intimidated by people who go here and there. After all, we see people on television questioning this list.
Please ask
Mr. Chairman, sir.
The procedure is that if there is a motion on ground, it should be seconded. If it is not seconded, it's dead.
It's dead. So allow me to continue. Mr. Chairman, you have allowed me. Please protect me.
Senator Adams, conclude. Your time is going. Conclude.
All right. Mr. Chairman, I think I needed to speak on this in the public interest. With particular reference to the nominee, Reno. Because we cannot pretend we have not had stories.
We can't work on stories.
For me.
There is no petition before the
for me.
Look, this is
for me.
You should not return the Senate. Don't Allah make the Senate Senate is not a job. Senate.
The power of example that he is a pragmatist. He is not detained by old feelings. You may have doubt, suspicion about anyone until you have the opportunity to so perform. Indeed, you don't know anyone until you give him the driver's, you hand over to him the steering of a vehicle. This young man has shown that where he sees a compelling evidence in the interest of the Nigerian nation, he will not be ashamed to say that I was wrong in my assumption. From what I have seen, this man is working and he deserves the support of all those who want progressive governance. The second side of the argument is that we have a president. We have a president who has shown that by the power of example, the minimum requirement of leadership, and here I will proudly say I was a governor, which is a head of a subnational government. And so when I talk, those who are not be governors should listen.
Governors come to Senate.
You have to have
governors, you struggle to
Your Excellency, you have to have that large heart.
Become a senator.
You have to have, for me, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has showed a real quality that the fact that you criticize me during the election, the fact that you abused me at what time was
Senator Adams, you made your point very clear. There is a motion. There is a motion. Please, Senator Adams, you made your point clear. There is a motion in place. Any seconder?
Okay. Come on, let me conclude. The president has showed large heart. And he deserves to be commended because he's now a president of all Nigerians.
We commend Mr. President. We commend Mr. President. Joel, Joel.
Colleagues, distinguished colleagues, my name once again
in favor. Senator Ndime, are you wait. Okay, Senator Ndime, are you opposed to Omokri's nomination?
No.
Senator Shomon, are you opposed to the nomination?
I have seconded it over and over 100%.
So you're on the same page.
You're on the same page. I say another to put the question.
Distinguished colleagues, a motion has been moved and seconded. Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it.
Thank you.